Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Tell me how you are doing in the comment section. Today, I'll come up with a new video of bird craft by using a papers, and I'll explain it detail and step by step. I hope you all love it. Before moving to video, I have a small request. This is my new channel. Please subscribe and share. Let's dive into video. It is a art related video of a craft. First of all, you have to take a sponge type paper, cut into the bird shape, and you have to fix it as a bird shape, and you can apply white glue also. Then after, you have to take a paper, fold it in a half way and cut it, and then remaining part you have to fold in it a midway and like a flip fold. Flip fold as shown in the video. Continuously flip the paper and fold it like as shown in the video. Then after, you have to fold in the midway. Then you cut it in a cross like a flower. Then open it. It shows like a wing type, and you have to glue in the middle of the paper as I shown in the video and fix it properly. Then open it. It shows like a wing. You can attach it with the body or body part of the bird. You have to take a small amount of glue and attach it on the bottom part of the bird and fix it properly. And then you have to take two more papers, same, cut it in the middle of that paper, and you have to follow the same procedure as I shown before. And you have to take one more paper and same cut in the same way and attach it and fix it. And this may take a little time, but make it properly and being a little patient, and it would be done in a 2 to 3 minutes. And you have to fix it properly as I shown in the video. Same like before, this paper also. Same procedure. Attach it, place it on the bird back side. Coming to the eye drawing, it would be an oval shape. Lightly sketch on the body part of the bird, and you can use marker also. I use pencil. Then after, you have to darken the eye place by using blue sketch, whatever color you use it. Then forehead also you can use the marker pen by shading it. I'm liking the color. Whatever color is suitable for that, but I use in purple color. Then you can cut for the nose. Take a bit of paper, cut it in the shape of a nose and two parts of it paper. Then attach it on the glue and lightly press on the middle of the paper. You can form the nose. Then attach it with the help of glue. Position and attach it properly with the help of glue. Try it for some time. And you have done it. I placed a small type of sponge material on the bottom and bottom lesser neck material I also placed it on the bottom of the bird for appearance, and I hope you all are love it. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, follow for more. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section also. We'll meet you in the next video. Until take care. Bye.